topic is system. Okay, system means it is an orderly group of interdependent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a specific goal or objective. Okay, so system means there is a group of component will be there. Okay, that we are linked together, we are linking to achieve a specific goal or to solve a problem. Okay, for example, we will say a plant system. So plant system means it comprises of soil, weather, okay, and plant. Okay, so which act collectively to give yield. Okay, so plant system, we are saying, we are not saying plant. Okay, we are saying is plant system. Okay, because it comprises of soil, weather, and several other components which work together to bring yield. Okay, so so this is a plant system, and this is computer system. In the previous section, in the previous lecture, I told that the computer and computer system are different. Okay, the computer means it is just it is a CPU. Okay, that is computer. But computer system means it comprises of input and output devices, and storage devices, etc. Okay, to solve a specific problem or to do a task, any task. Okay, so these are system. Okay, computer system, it comprises of input and output and storage devices and processor to solve specific problem, to do any work. Okay, so these are the system meaning. Next you will see this system analysis. What is the meaning of system analysis? Okay, suppose for example you want to study a system, you want to analyze a system. So system analysis means it is the process of collecting and interpreting facts, okay, and identifying the problems, and decomposition of system into its components. Okay, so in system analysis we will collect and interpret facts, and we will identify the problems, and we will decompose the system into components. Okay, we are doing this to study a system. Okay, system analysis is mainly done to study a system. Okay, so it is a problem solving technique. And system analysis model. Okay, so in system analysis model there are 4 basic models there. One is schematic model, another is flow system model, another is static system model, another is dynamic system model. Okay, so these are the 4 major system analysis model. First we will see the schematic model. Schematic model means it is a 2D chart, okay, that shows system elements and their linkages. Okay, different arrows are used to show information flow, material, and information feedback. Okay, so this is an example of schematic model. Okay, so with the help of this model you can show information flow, material, and information feedback. Okay, and this one is example of a schematic model. And it is flow system model. Okay, flow system model means it shows the orderly flow of information that hold the system together. Okay, different arrows are used to show information flow, material, and information feedback. See here, this is one of the flow system model. Okay, so it just indicates the flow of information, okay, from top to bottom, or from left to right. Okay, so this flow system model shows the orderly flow of information that hold the system together. Okay, flow system model. Okay, this is an example of flow system model. Here you can see there is only arrows, okay, that is flowing from top to down, and also from left to right. Okay, so this is a PERT critical pathway flow diagram. Okay, okay, flowchart. And next is static system model. Static system model is that they represent one pair of relationship, okay, between the variables, okay, between the systems. For example, cost quantity relationship. See, the example will be like this, okay. So in this the model will be like this. So so it shows some relationships between the systems, okay. And last is dynamic system models. This is very important model. It shows an ongoing and constantly changing status of system, okay. It consists of input, processor, program for processor, and also outputs, okay. So dynamic system models is a commonly used model for simulation, okay, because this model will consist of input and also processor and also outputs, okay. So for the this is the example of dynamic system model, okay. So in this model you can see that the arrow is going from top to bottom and also from several places, okay. So this model is commonly used for simulation, okay. This dynamic system models, okay. So we saw 4 models, okay. One is flow system, one is schematic models, flow system models, and static system models, and dynamic system models.